How to make money from the crypto backlash. Welcome to the hype, disappointment, devastation, education, conviction, hype cycle. By David Z. Morris. Layer 2 Jun 1, 2022 at 4:58 p.m. Utkby David Z. Morris. Layer 2 Jun 1, 2022 at 4:58 p.m. Utes in the wake of a more than 50% price drawdown in major cryptocurrencies and the collapse of some huge financial experiments, public sentiment on crypto has done a predictable 180-degree turn. It happens every few years. A crypto price bubble draws in a new wave of speculators. Many of them get burned after making bad bets on technology they don't fully understand, and sentiment swings hard the other way. We've gone from the era of Davey day trader doing cute things with Dogecoin to surgeons in Massachusetts losing their life savings on Luna. True, blue chip tech stocks like Meta and Netflix have lost nearly as much as BTC in dollar terms over the last year, but we'll set that to the side. The crypto backlash is here, and it's taking extremely familiar forms. Jackson Palmer, who initially created Dogecoin as a performance art critique of crypto, is making a new round of skeptical declarations. Molly White, founder of the anti-crypto blog Web3 is going just great, is getting profiled in the Washington Post. The Skeptical Crypto Critics Corner is suddenly one of the top technology podcasts in the world. This article is excerpted from the Node, CoinDesk's daily roundup of the most pivotal stories in blockchain and crypto news. You can subscribe to get the full newsletter here. And good for follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.